In this video, we are going to see how we can delete all the comments on YouTube at once. So if you come across a situation where you have a lot of comments and you want to get rid of or delete all of them at once, here's how you can easily do it. So what you can do is just go to the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon. And from here we choose settings. Under here we choose advanced settings. And from here we basically choose delete channel. Don't worry, I'll show you further what to do. Click on review in Google account. Let's confirm the PIN. And after that, the most important step, you select I want to hide my channel. So basically what you do is select all of them to confirm you understand will be made private until you re-enable. The following will not be hidden. So you select that and you select that both. Click on hide my channel and click on hide my account. And basically you can re-enable your channel anytime you want. And after that, your channel will be hidden. And it says, please allow some time for your channel to be hidden across the site. After that, you will notice that when you visit your youtube.com, it will show you that you don't have any channel and you need to create one. So don't worry, if you want to re-enable the channel, you click on the create channel and you click on create channel from here. Choose any handle, choose any name or any picture you want. Click on the create channel and wait for some time. And you will notice as soon as the channel is created, you will return with your subscribers. And also when you visit the YouTube studio, all of your videos are back as well. But you will notice that in the community, all of your comments will be deleted, and that is what we need to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.